The coaching here at Student Success Tutor comes with the Learn Whispering course, and it does so for a couple of important reasons. Firstly, the entirety of section 2, if not the whole course, is structured around the 9-pillar framework, as well as aspects of the 4 success factors that you, well, the student, be that you or your kids, will learn about, so you can master the structures of life. Because when you understand the structure, which applies to any situation, any context, any activity, then it means you can approach it better and get better feedback to do and achieve more and have more joy and happiness and goodies in your life. That's what we want, eh? We want goodies. We're not after a grade. We're after the joy and the goodies from whatever that happens, whatever the outcomes are. So the 9-pillar framework's pretty amazing stuff. And the entirety, the second section of the Learn Whispering course, we get in depth with the 9-pillar framework and how you can apply it practically. In this case, with the Whispering course, it's to do with these animals, be they feathered, scaly, slimy, skinny, furry. And it can also act as like a substitute homework or projects for the students to work on while we work through the coaching sessions, so it's practical. Obviously I'd prefer they apply it to their schoolwork, but you know, for some students they're so disinterested in study, or if they're at a low enough grade at high school, you know, the assessment processes aren't deep enough to get them right into it. So you'll get the Learn Whispering course with the coaching blocks, just to help, which is pretty awesome. Make contact and we will help you or your son and daughters on the way to getting what they want in their life and how to cope with what's going on with this planet, eh? The pandemic was pretty epic, but now all this AI stuff, it's really going to delineate those that have the skills for life, which is what all this is about here, versus those that have learned a knowledge set that then gets wiped out by AI. What's the difference? It's your human skill set, and how do you develop that human skill set? Pretty simple. The learning state, and what's here with the 9-pillar framework and the 4 success overview. That's the practical application. Skills for life, as well as better grades. Make contact. I'm Jason at studentsuccesstutor.com. Peppity.